How to duet on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to TechSolve, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the duet on TikTok. For those who might not be familiar, TikTok Duet is a feature that allows you to create a video alongside another user's video. When you duet, the screen is split into two sections, and this enables you to react, perform or interact with the original content in real time. So guys, follow these simple steps to create a duet on TikTok. Alright, open the TikTok app on your device and find the video you want to duet with. You can do this either by searching using the search icon or browsing through your feed. At the bottom right corner of the video is the share button. It's usually represented by an arrow icon on the right side of the screen. So you just tap on it and this opens a menu, and you can see, once you scroll, you can see the duet option. Remember guys, not all videos are eligible for duet. The creator must allow this feature on their video before the feature can be available for the video. So if you find a video and you do not see the duet option, it means the creator do not allow this feature for the video. You need to look for a video that's eligible for duet. So once you find the video, just tap on the duet option and this will open. Okay, here we are. Nice. So this will open a new recording screen where you can record your duets. As you can see, the original video is one side and your own video will be on the other side. You can change the positioning of this. You can either make your video larger and the original video smaller at the top. You can make it side by side, like up and down, I mean to say up and down. You can also make it side by side. You can make your interaction smaller, like just a picture once you tap on this, and the duet all over the screen. So whichever you want, just do it. And what next? Okay, you can record on your video. Just tap on the recording button on the down and record your video. Alright, once you are done with recording your reaction or your video, what you want to do next is to tap on the check mark icon. Alright, now your duet is ready. You can add stickers, you can add caption, you can add filters, effects or voiceover, whatever. You can do it according to your preference. Caption, hashtags, other details you want in your duet. So you can tap on your story to add this to your story, or you tap on next to post this on TikTok. And once you share this on your profile, you will be linked to the original video, making it easier for viewers to see both the video together. And that is it guys. It's very easy. I hope this video helped you duet on TikTok. If it does, please leave your experience in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.